Hi, my name is Emily and my meeting number is A20A1402. I will present about the introduction. The definition of statistics are related to scientific methods such as collecting, summarizing, presenting, and analyzing data into useful information. Therefore, the objective of this study are collect the dataset using ASPS, describing the dataset using descriptive statistics, represent the dataset graphically, and perform the statistical analysis using ASPS. We also collect and analyze dataset use both of variables which are qualitative and quantitative.
Hi, my name is Nozafira binti Zamri. My matrix number is A20A1797. Data description explains the title of the data assignment is total fish, price by country based on weight, length, width, and height factors. This data consists of 160 but has been selected to 60 only. Number by species consists of 7 different types, place consists of 10 different places, and weight has the same total data, which is 24 data out of 60 data that has been selected.
My name is Muhammad Izwan Shafiq bin Shahudin and my matric number is A20A2153. This is my part 2.0 sampling data and record category data. 2.1 data arrangement. 2 ways to describe the data, which is by using table and graph. There are 3 types of table that can be used to describe the data: class and frequency, relative frequency, and cumulative frequency. This part is have 2 variables. This is 1x and 1y.
Many, I will continue to present about the numerical descriptive measures. First is measure central tendency. The measure central tendency is a value that represents center of distribution. The most generally used of tendency for ungrouped and grouped data, which are mean, median, and mode. So mean, median, and mode for length 1 by the price features captured at several places are 26.183, 25.225, and 23.99. By mean, median, and mode for sales price by price of features captured at several prices are 348.37, 242.89, and 345.48. Second is measure of position. The first and third quarter for length 1 by price of features at several prices are 23.8 and 32.62. The interquarter range of difference between upper and lower quarter is 8.82, while the first and third quarter for sales price by the price of features at several prices are 90.12 and 582.12. The interquarter range of difference between upper and lower quarter is 563. Third is measure of relation. The range of length 1 by the price of features is 52.9. Thus, the sample variance and standard deviations are 11,373.91 and 106.65 respectively. Besides, the range of sales price by price of features is 989.99. The sample variance and standard deviation are 1302631.09 and 1141.33 respectively. The shade of distribution by length 1 is skewed to the left because mode lower than median, median lower than mean, while the shade distribution by sales price is skewed to B modal shape is because mode higher than median, median lower than mean.
My name is Liu Jiamin. Number matrix is A20A2034. Now I'm present the graphical representation. For this assignment, we will present our data in 2 different form figures such as histogram and OGIF. Histogram is a diagram of firms whose part is correlative to frequency of a variable whose result is equal to the class interval. OGIF is equal used to portion a number below or above a particular element value in data. The two of graph relabel with class midpoint. Table 1 and Table 2 illustrate the total of fish. It can be seen that there are 6 types different class sales price. The class width of every classes is 165.99, while class length 1 cm, the class width of every classes is 9.9. It need to find out the midpoint to construct the histogram and oblique graph. Midpoint can present from at the lower boundaries and upper boundaries, then divided by 2. The cumulative frequency of a class is the sum of the frequency for that class and all previous classes. The cumulative frequency of the last class is equal to the sample size, which is 60 in the table of the total of each. Bringing up here, class, midpoint, and frequency are imperative that accumulate the graph with which are histogram and ogive.
Next, numerical descriptive measures are the data that need to be analyzed from the data that has completed the calculation and need to make comparison using menus and SPSS. The selected data are length 1. The manual data mean is 26.183 and SPSS 26.080. Manual median is 25.225 and SPSS 24.600. And the last manual mode is 23.99 and SPSS 20.5. The manual standard deviation is 106.65 and SPSS 10.5248, while the manual range is 52.9 and SPSS 49.7. The last is the first quartile of the 25 percentile is 18.400, and the third quartile of the 75 percentile is 32.700 using SPSS. For graphical presentation using SPSS for sales price is a comparison with histogram graph that was calculated manually. Puts decrease, then increase, and decrease again. And for the SPSS length 1 shows as a comparison with the ogive graph that was calculated manually, both are slightly increased. That's all from me. Thank you.
5.2 Hypothesis testing. This is include t-test, ANOVA test, and normality test. For t-test, here is a group statistic data. We use length 1 as a variable. For step 1 is hypothesis. H null is equal to mu1 minus mu2 equal to 0, while H alternate is mu1 minus mu2 not equal to 0. Step 2, we use 0.05 as a significance level. Step 3 is test statistic. We use SPSS to calculate that data. Here is a SPSS output. Based on this, we can move to the step 4, which is decision rule. We can reject H null if t value is greater than t critical value. Based on the SPSS output, the t value is 1.706, which is less than the t critical value. Step 5 is conclusion. Since 1.706 is less than 2.056, so we fail to reject H null and conclude that mean length 1 is less than. For ANOVA, step 1 is hypothesis. H null is equal to mu1 minus mu2 equal to mu3, while H alternate is at least one of the mean is different from other. Step 2 is we use 0.05 as a significance level. Step 3 is test statistic. We use SPSS to calculate the data. Here is a SPSS output. Based on this, we can move to step 4, which is decision rule. We reject H null if F value is greater than F critical value. From the SPSS output, we can get the F value, which is 52.015, which is greater than F critical value, which is 3.98. Step 5 is conclusion. We fail to reject H null since the F value is greater than F critical value. There is a difference among the treatment. For normality test, because of our data collection is more than 15, so we choose to use Kolmogorov-Smirnov test. If the significance value is greater than the alpha value, which is 0.05, then there is no reason to think that our data differ significantly from a normal distribution. We can reject the null hypothesis that is non-normal. Here is a normal QQ plot cut. If a distribution is normal, then the dots will broadly follow the trend line. As you can see above, our data does cluster around the trend line, which provides further evidence that our distribution is normal. 5.3 Correlation. The bivariate Pearson correlation measures the strength and direction of linear relationship between pair of continuous variables. For step 1 is hypothesis. Hash null, there is no association between length 1 price and weight, while hash alternate is there is association between length 1 price and weight. Step 2 is SPSS output. Step 3 is decision rule. We reject hash null if p-value is less than alpha. Based on the SPSS output, we get the p-value is 1. So at the step 4, we can make a conclusion. We can conclude that there is an association between length 1 price and weight. Here is the scatter plot. The scatter plot allows us to visually see the relation between three variables. Graph 1 plot length 1 against weight, which we can see with the difference about the level of weight, the higher the price fish charge imposed. Moreover, in graph 2 plot length 1 against price, where normally if the fish is the very weak, the higher the price fish charge imposed. Graph 3 also show plots in weight against price. Generally, fish of different weight with different length will be charged different price.
5.4 Confidence interval. Confidence interval is a range of value within which the population parameter is expected to occur. The confidence interval is related to the 95% confidence interval. Based on the result of SPSS, the standard error for the charge, which is our dependent variable, is 38.41939. The lowest boundaries and upper boundaries are 263.9760 and 417.7300. As a result, we can conclude that we are 95% confident that the population parameter is between 203.9760 and 417.7300. Next, confidence interval is a range of value within which the population parameter is expected to occur. The confidence level is related to the 95% confidence interval. Based on the result of SPSS, the standard error for the charge, which is our dependent variable, is 1.3587. The lowest boundaries and upper boundaries are 23.361 and 28.799. As a result, we can conclude that we are 95% confident that the population parameter is between 23.361 and 28.799. 5.5 Prediction Modeling. 5.51 Model Summary. The RQ square value is 0.965, which means 65% of the variation price can be explained by weight and length 1. The adjusted RQ square is 93.2%. Next, 5.5.2 Coefficient. The equation price equal 20.596 plus 0.727 weight plus 1.633 length 1. From the equation, B null is 20.596 when the weight is 0, but length 1 is 0.551. The price will draw by go up 20.496. Thus, for every increase in weight, price will go up 0.727. For every unit increase in length 1, price will go up 1.633. The p-value for weight, which is 0.000 respectively, while for length is 0.551, thus which is signification because both less than 0.05 and length 1 is not signification, it is more than 0.05. The VIF value are below 5, indicating that there is no problem of multicollinearity.
In conclusion, we have done the two main divisions of statistics, which are descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. We are concerned the descriptive statistics for the purpose of summarizing, analyzing, and interpreting total fish price by country based on weight, length, weight, and height factors. During the assignment, all of the data is numerous and can be measured. It was the group data. The type of variables it observed and quantitative variables. From the result, the sample size is 60. Moreover, the measure of center tendency was carried out in this assignment. Mean, median, mode, measure of position, measure of variation, sample variance, sample standard deviation has been calculated by using its own formula. In addition, we are analyzing the data by using statistical package for the social science, SPSS. We have used SPSS to solve and analyze various complex problems and equations such as numerical descriptive measure, hypothesis testing, correlation analysis, confidence interval, and last prediction modeling in an easier way.